Hey everyone, welcome back to Nexus Finance. Today we're diving into something every aspiring investor dreams about, building your first 100,000 euros. It's that magical milestone where your money starts working for you, thanks to the power of compound interest. Investing legends like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger say it's the hardest part, but once you're there, wealth building gets way easier. In this video, I'll share my exact blueprint to get you there fast and safely. Stick around because this could change your financial future. Let's get started. First things first, mindset. Think of yourself as a baby sea turtle hatching on the beach. Your instinct is to race to the ocean. That's where real life and safety begin. But that dash across the sand, it's brutal. Predators, exhaustion, no help, it's all on you. If you don't push hard, you don't make it. Building your first 100,000 euros is exactly like that. It's a sprint where you're your own biggest challenge. No compounding magic yet. It's all about your savings and discipline. Sacrifice now for freedom later. The goal? Hit the ocean ASAP, so market currents can carry you forward. Now the core strategy: win the long game with two unbreakable rules. 1. Every investment needs a positive expected return over time, after costs and inflation. 2. Stay in the game. Your portfolio must survive crashes, crises, anything. The only real loss is getting wiped out. Stocks drive growth, but picking individuals is risky. One bankruptcy and poof, gone. Solution? Diversify maximally. Don't hunt needles, buy the whole haystack. Invest in the global economy for an unsinkable setup. For your 100,000 euros portfolio, I recommend a simple, ultra-stable 3 ETF blueprint. Low cost, diversified across nearly 8,000 companies worldwide. Here's the split. 70% in Vanguard FTSE Developed World UCITS ETF, ticker A12CX1. This is your core, big companies in developed nations like the US, Europe, Japan. 20% in iShares Core MSCI EM IMI UCITS ETF, A2JDYF. Covers all sizes in emerging markets, China, India, Brazil, high growth potential. 10% in iShares MSCI World Small Cap UCITS ETF, A2DWBY, focuses on smaller developed world companies for that extra return boost. This aims for about 7% annual real return, rebalance yearly, and it's set to weather any storm. If 3 funds sound like too much hassle, go for all-in-one alternatives, like the LNG Gerd Kommer Multifactor Equity ETF, WLT0B, a Smart World portfolio in one, or Global Portfolio 1, A2PT6U. Super simple and effective. Better than doing nothing. But here's the unsexy truth. Your savings rate trumps returns in this phase. Fuel the engine, lower consumption, scrutinize every expense, be ruthless. Every euro saved invests in your future. Increase income. Invest in yourself. Skills, certifications. Knowledge pays the best dividends.
On emergency funds, keep it minimal now. 3-6 months is fine, but don't let cash sit idle. Opportunity cost is huge. Build bigger buffers later. In conclusion, the path to 100,000 euros is tough. Warrior mindset, discipline, delayed gratification. But the strategy? Simple. Save aggressively, cut costs, boost income, and invest globally via low-cost ETFs. Remember the turtle. The sand struggle is temporary. Hit the ocean and compounding takes over. Your dream life? It's probable. If this resonated, like, subscribe, and comment below what's your biggest savings hurdle. Check the description for ETF links and my full blog post. Disclaimer, this isn't financial advice. Do your research or consult a pro. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Nexus Finance.